Yeah, I just want to appreciate it to Kim and Mike and his kids provide a job for me for 30 years. It's a long time. Yeah, and I can see this company growing a lot. When I started work for Diamond C about 30 years ago, we are only 40 employers, including welders, painters, cleaners, and office people. The office people is only two persons, Kim and Patsy. After that, Karen Rents come to help her. Only three people. You can see now maybe 40 people, maybe more in the office.
Nobody knows.
And production, we can count how many we are. I see a lot of growing in this company. And why I stay too long with this company? Because this family treat me right. Like him say, my plans is worth a little bit for this company because by that time we make good money. I stay for a little while right here and I make my own business. But I change my mind when I say, no, I got a future right here. That's why I keep right here. Because this company treat me right and provide a job for me for a long time. And I make a lot of things in my life from this company. Appreciate it and thank you.